great damn day.
Damn sun is in my eyes. Allie and I are at the Hoover Dam, built in the 1930s by the Hoover Vacuum Company, who ran into financial difficulty during the Great Depression. So they decided to diversify, build dams, and make electricity.
You're so damn intelligent.
I know every damn thing. Anyways, it could also have been built during the Hoover administration, but there's really no damn way of knowing the facts.
If only we had some damn expert.
Anyways, have a fantastic damn day.
Damn.
We're in Nevada, and now we're in Arizona. We just crossed from one damn state to the next.
Damn.
Damn impressive.